can't evade me.
Ito ay pinakamadali pag low HP. Easy.
It was foolish to provoke me. Let the wind guide me.
Medium. Ito yung medium level niya. Op.
Your demise will go unsung.
At ito naman yung hard. Wait lang. Gaya nito. Op.
It was foolish to provoke me.
Hindi pa ganyan yung hard. Warm up lang yung hard. Op, wait lang. Let's go. Tanong, paano kung yung damage ay malala? Tuturuan ko kayo. Damage bot kasi dapat para matingnan natin yung damage. Tuturuan ko kayo sa damage na yan. Op. Op. Ganyan yung hard. Isa pa ulit. Op. Oh, ganyan yung hard. Para sa mga malalakas na ling lang yan eh. Thank you for watching.